Camping advice for more free time and less stress. One of the most popular recreational activities in the world is camping. There is nothing quite like heading out into the great outdoors to really feel connected to nature. If you are thinking about going camping, use the following advice to make your next camping trip more fun and enjoyable. When packing for your camping trip, make sure to pack either a pair of flip-flops or water shoes. These will come in handy in and around the campground. For instance, if you are staying in a campground that has bathroom facilities and you plan on taking a shower, you need to wear shoes in the shower to protect your feet from foot fungus. Look up activities to engage in prior to getting to your destination. This will allow you to check for any deals that may be offered. Also, it will help you be more prepared when you actually get to your destination. You can find trails that may be appropriate for everyone in your family or restaurants that you would enjoy. Always take more water than you think you will use when you go on a camping trip. Many times, people forget how much water is needed. It is used for drinking, washing dishes and hands, cooking and even brushing your teeth. Water is not something you want to be without. If you have little ones camping with you, pack a few art supplies. When you get to your site, show them how to do leaf rubbings. There are always a variety of leaves in all shapes and sizes, so trying them all out will take a while. The kids will be happy and you will have some peace and quiet while you relax and watch them. Once you know more about camping, you can really relax and have fun when you head out into nature. As with any activity, the more you know, the more successful your camping trips will be. Just remember the useful tips you have watched here so that you can enjoy all of your camping trips. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.